Hello and welcome. So I'm going to be reviewing this nail kit that I got from Amazon. It comes with a little lamp that's good for one nail at a time. I would probably use this when I'm applying the full nail tips, full nail extensions. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using today. I'm not sure what that's for, but it comes with that. It comes with 3 different nail files. Comes with the little spongy things for pedicure. It comes with precision tweezers, a little brush, nail oil that I really examined hard, and then a tiny little nail clipper, those clips that are normally used to remove your gel nail extensions and stuff like that. These are really shiny and pretty. I've never used them before. I'm not really sure how to use them, but I'll figure it out. And then alcohol wipes, stickers to do your French tip, stickers in general, an extra brush, and then I'm grabbing the top coat and the base coat, a nail file. I'm gonna use one of those alcohol wipes, and yeah, getting ready. Also comes with those circular stickers. I have no idea what you would use those for. And then I'm about to pull out a cuticle pusher that I completely missed. So I'm going to use that too. So I'm going to be using my Model 1's dehydrator and nail primer. I have not done my nails in over a year. Look at them. Look at them. Okay, so now I'm pushing back the cuticle on all 5 of my nails, making sure there's nothing, that like crusty piece that gets left, making sure you're getting that, and then going in with a nail file and filing off or buffing off the shine for long lasting nails, because that's what we want them to last longer than a day. And then going in with an alcohol wipe and wiping off the dust, the oil, all of it. I don't know why I showed you my dehydrator and stuff when I'm not even using it yet, but now I'm going to be using it. So going in with my nail dehydrator, there you go. So now going in with the nail primer, you're going to want to make sure that you apply this nail primer to the edges of your nail. So the borders of your nail, there we go, the borders of your nail. Because you don't want your nails to start peeling off. And this step is very important to avoid that from happening. And then make sure you don't get it on your skin, and make sure you let it dry before you apply the base coat. All right, now we're going to be applying the base coat. So we're just going to apply a thin, even layer on all of our nails, and we will cure it for 60 seconds. Make sure to not touch your cuticle or your skin. And then when you're done, make sure you just clean up any mistakes you might have made. Get whatever off your skin, your cuticle, whatever. All right, going in with this beautiful red color from the kit that we got from Amazon. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my God. And then it's so opaque. Like, we could probably get away with one layer, honestly. Like, look at it. I feel like with bright, bold colors like this, it's a lot easier to see any mistakes you made. So you really want to make sure that you take your time. So after applying to all of our fingers, we're going to cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna be doing the cute little hearts. So I just grabbed like a piece of cardboard, and then put a little bit of the glitter and a little bit of the white. And then I'm gonna grab my dotting tool and we will get started. So using this little tool, I'm gonna grab a pretty significant amount and then we're just gonna dot it onto our nail. 2 little dots, right? I don't know if I did the 2 yet. So 2 dots, and then you just kind of combine them together like a triangle, but you're making a heart. This glitter, it was not the best option to see because it's literally just glitter and like clear nail polish. So I just wiped off the glitter, and then went in with the white. So did the 2 dots and then just combined them together, and look how cute. And then yeah, just keep doing that. You'll see here I messed up, and since our nails are cured, you could easily just wipe it off and start all over. So I do that a few times, just so you can see that it's not like ruining my nail. If you are gonna wipe off any mistakes, make sure that you use a lint-free wipe, or I was using a paper towel. That works too. I hated it, so I wiped it off. So like I said, the glitter was a little hard to see, so I just made sure that I got a lot every time that I dipped in. And then, so I did the 2 little dots, and then I dragged them down to make the point, and then that makes a cute little heart. So most of the glitter ones came out a little 3-dimensional because of how much product that I would grab at a time, and I don't mind that. Cure for 30 seconds, and then you just apply the top coat. You cure that for 60 seconds, and then we are done. Final reveal. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you all so much. Goodbye.